Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings, then scroll down and enter General, and then go to the very bottom of the list where you will notice Reset. Simply click on it, and now select the second option, which is Erase All Content and Settings. And now if you have passcode, it's time to enter it. In my case it's 123456. And now confirm that you would like to delete all media and data and reset the settings by clicking on Erase iPhone. And now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone and all media, data and settings will be erased. If you are sure, click on Erase iPhone. And now just patiently wait until it's done. And that's it, you've just performed a factory data reset of your iPhone 11 Pro Max, congrats, and now you can set up your device from the beginning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.